Struggling to make your woodworking project smoother and easier? In this video, we're going to share simple and effective woodworking tips to tackle common challenges and improve your project results. Whether it's setting up flexible workstations or perfecting precision methods, these hacks are meant to make your woodworking projects more straightforward and helpful. Here at MechMinshub, where knowledge and mechanics combine. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Effective workbench setup. Establishing an effective workbench is crucial for the success of your woodworking projects. Begin by ensuring your workbench is not only robust, but also set at a height that suits your comfort. Utilize magnetic strips to keep essential tools easily accessible, and install a pegboard for instant access to commonly used items. Streamline your workflow by organizing clamps on a dedicated clamp rack. Consider enhancing your workspace further by integrating a built-in dust collection system to maintain cleanliness. These uncomplicated adjustments not only elevate the functionality of your workbench, but also contribute to a smoother and more enjoyable woodworking process, fostering a more productive and satisfying experience in your woodworking endeavors. Number 2. Sharp tools for precision. Maintaining sharp tools is essential for achieving precise cuts and a polished finish in your woodworking projects. Cultivate the routine of consistently sharpening your chisels, planes, and saw blades to ensure they perform at their optimal best. Investing in a quality sharpening system is a wise choice, and dedicating time to learning proper sharpening techniques is an investment that pays off in the long run. This straightforward advice not only saves you time and frustration, but also plays a pivotal role in significantly elevating the overall quality of your woodworking endeavors. The result is improved precision and heightened satisfaction in your craft, making your woodworking experience more fulfilling and rewarding. Incorporate these practical tips into your routine to enhance the longevity and effectiveness of your tools, contributing to a smoother and more enjoyable woodworking journey. Number 3. Innovative wood joinery techniques. Go beyond conventional methods and explore alternatives like pocket hole joinery, doweling jigs, or biscuit joiners. These innovative approaches not only provide robust and durable connections, but also streamline the assembly process, particularly beneficial for woodworking newcomers. By experimenting with these diverse joinery techniques, you not only enhance the structural integrity of your creations, but also infuse a unique and appealing aesthetic into your woodworking endeavors, creating pieces that stand out with both durability and visual allure. Incorporating these creative wood joinery techniques into your projects not only reinforces their strength, but also adds a touch of individuality and charm, making your woodworking experience more engaging and rewarding. Number 4. Clever wood finishing tricks. Start by using pre-stained wood conditioners to prevent blotching on your wood surfaces. When applying stain, employ masking tape along the edges for clean and well-defined lines. Enhance your finishing process by elevating the project slightly off the work surface using screws or small blocks, preventing any sticking issues. These simple yet effective tricks not only contribute to a polished and professional appearance, but also significantly improve the overall texture of your woodworking creations. Incorporate these straightforward techniques into your workflow to achieve the perfect finish that you can take pride in, elevating the overall quality of your woodworking projects. Number 5. Smart measurement and marking. In woodworking, achieving precision in your measurements is fundamental for project success. It's worth emphasizing the importance of investing in high-quality measuring tools to ensure not just accuracy, but a meticulous level of detail. Explore the effectiveness of the 5-cut method, a reliable technique that adds an extra layer of precision to your measurements, especially when tackling intricate designs. Consider fashioning custom templates or jigs, indispensable tools that consistently replicate specific shapes and angles, markedly improving the efficiency of your woodworking tasks. By integrating these smart techniques into your routine, you not only streamline the measurement and marking process, but also substantially diminish the likelihood of errors in your projects. Embrace these practical hacks to elevate the precision and overall quality of your woodworking endeavors, ensuring each creation meets the high standards you aspire to achieve. Number 6. Utilizing scrap wood for testing. Before making any critical cuts or applying finishes to your primary woodworking project, consider a practical and cost-effective approach. Utilize scrap wood for testing your tools, techniques, and finishes. This not only allows you to troubleshoot and make necessary adjustments, but also prevents compromising the integrity of your primary materials. Additionally, repurposing scrap wood to craft jigs and spacers serves a dual purpose, saving money and actively contributing to the reduction of overall waste in your workshop. By embracing this thoughtful and resourceful strategy, your main project is poised to progress seamlessly. This approach provides a valuable opportunity to fine-tune your methods and troubleshoot potential issues on a smaller scale before tackling your final piece, ensuring a smoother and more successful woodworking journey overall. Number 7. Efficient dust collection systems. Woodworking generates a significant amount of dust, which can pose health risks and impact the quality of your projects. To tackle this issue, consider making an investment in a robust dust collection system. This serves a dual purpose, keeping your workspace neat and minimizing airborne particles that could affect both your health and project outcomes. Boost the efficiency of dust removal by strategically placing vacuum ports near your tools. For an extra layer of air quality improvement, explore the possibility of crafting a do-it-yourself air filtration system. These proactive steps not only contribute to creating a cleaner and safer workshop environment, but also uphold a high standard of quality in your woodworking endeavors. Incorporate these measures into your workspace to ensure both your well-being and the excellence of your projects. Number 8. Adaptable mobile workstations. Explore inventive designs for your workbenches, integrating features such as removable extension wings and adjustable tool holders. This deliberate approach allows you to tailor your workspace to the unique requirements of each project, enhancing both efficiency and enjoyment in your woodworking pursuits. As a result, you'll have a dynamic and adaptable environment, providing the flexibility needed for all your creative endeavors. Embrace these practical strategies to revamp your woodworking routine and make your projects more versatile and satisfying. Number 9. Ergonomic tool handles and grips. Consider upgrading handles or grips with custom-made additions using soft materials like rubber or foam. This straightforward adjustment can significantly alleviate hand strain, boost control, and enhance the overall comfort of your woodworking experience, especially beneficial during those long, extended sessions where fatigue can impact both your accuracy and enjoyment. Implement these practical tips to create a workspace that not only meets your project needs, but also prioritizes your comfort and efficiency in every woodworking endeavor. Number 10. Proper wood selection and preparation. Take into account factors like wood grain, stability, and hardness when making your material choices. Furthermore, it's essential to acclimate your wood to the workshop environment before diving into a project, reducing the likelihood of issues like warping or cracking. Prioritize proper wood preparation, including thorough jointing and planing, to guarantee a flat and smooth surface. These foundational steps not only set the stage for high-quality woodworking projects, but also contribute to an easier and more satisfying overall woodworking experience. Incorporate these practical tips to ensure your material selection and preparation align seamlessly with your project goals. We hope these practical tips enhance your projects, making your woodworking experience smoother and more enjoyable. Now, we want to hear from you. Have you tested any of these tricks, or do you have your own tips to share? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you next time.